Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. I want to show you a sneaky little setting that you have to get, that you have to change if you want leads, if you're making a lead campaign on Facebook. So I'll show you here. I'm in my ads manager, so I made a test campaign, new leads campaign. So I'll just go through this takes place in the ads, when you're creating the ads, or basically when you're creating the lead form. So this is where you create your lead or your ads, and I'll just go down to where you create your instant form, create form here. And there is the content and the settings, and most people are probably not likely to click the settings, but this is where this little thing is hiding. And it's this. Facebook made it default that your ads are restricted. Only people who are delivered your ad can directly submit this form. And they can't share it either. And so this is really severely going to limit your ads. Of course, when we pay for ads, we want as many people to see them as possible. And if somebody wants to share it, that's even better. So make sure that you go down here and you change this to open. And now your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. So maybe your ad is served to someone and maybe the person doesn't need your service, but they know someone who needs it. So then it's just crazy that they can't share this ad with the person that they know may need it. So make sure you go and change this. If you have any questions, comment below, and if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me. There's a link in the description to learn more about it. And also please join our free Facebook group called Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.